Hello everybody, my name is Gary Yao, and today I would like to give you some tips for successful property management. Now, property management is a multifaceted role that demands attention to detail, organization, and excellent interpersonal skills. Successful property management ensures that properties are well maintained, the tenants are satisfied, and the income is optimized. Today, we'll explore the essential tips to achieve success in property management. Let's start with number one, effective communication. Communication is a cornerstone for successful property management. Establish clear channels of communication with both tenants and property owner. Promptly address inquiries, concerns, and maintenance requests. Good communication fosters trust and positive relationships, reducing potential conflicts. Next, let's have a thorough tenant screening. One of the most critical aspects of property management is tenant selection. Implement rigorous tenant screening, including credit checks, rental history verification, and criminal background checks. Selecting reliable tenants can prevent future issues and ensure a consistent rental income. Third, regular property inspections. Conduct regular property inspections to identify maintenance issues and address them promptly. Proactive maintenance reduces the risk of costly repairs down the line and keeps tenants satisfied. Fourth, stay informed about laws and regulations. Laws and regulations pertaining to property management can vary by location and change over time. Stay informed about local, state, and federal laws regarding tenants' rights and property maintenance. Eviction procedures has to be also put in place to ensure compliance and avoid legal issues. Fifth, professional property marketing. Effective marketing is essential to attract quality tenants. Use professional photography to create detailed property listings and leverage online platforms to create a wider audience. Highlight unique features and amenities to make your property stand out. Six, set realistic rental rates. Pricing your property appropriately is crucial for attracting tenants and maximize income. Research the local rental market and set competitive yet realistic rental rates. Be prepared to adjust rates based on market fluctuations. 7. Create detailed lease agreements. A well-drafted lease agreement is a vital tool for successful property management. Ensure that the lease outlines all the terms and conditions, including rent due dates, maintenance responsibilities, and penalties for non-compliance. Both parties should be clear about what are their obligations. 8. Efficient rent collection. Implement an efficient rent collection system that allows a consistent flow of income. Offer multiple payments options, including online payments, to make it convenient for tenants. Force rent collections with policies that is done in a consistency manner. 9. Invest in property maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential to preserve the value of the property. Develop a maintenance schedule and promptly address repairs requests. Investing in preventive maintenance can save you money on the long run and keep tenants satisfied. 10. Emergency response plan. Have a well-defined emergency response in place. Ensure that tenants know how to contact you in case of urgent issues like plumbing leaks, electrical problems, or security concerns. Promptly respond to emergencies to protect both tenants and the property. Number 11, professional relationships. Develop a positive working relationship with contractors, repair technicians, and service providers. Having a reliable network of professionals can ensure a prompt and cost-effective way for properties to be maintained. 12. Financial management. Maintain a detailed financial records, including income and expenses. A well-organized financial system can help track profitability and simplifies reporting. It is also essential for providing property owners with an accurate financial statement. 13. Regular reporting to property owners. Keep property owners informed about the property performance throughout regular reports. Include details on rent collection, maintenance expenses, and occupancy transparency. This builds trust with property owners. To have a successful property management requires a combination of effective communication through tenant screening, proactive maintenance, legal compliance, and financial management. By implementing these tips and staying committed to providing excellent services, property management can maintain high occupancy rates, reduce turnover, and ultimately maximize the return on investment for property owners. Property management is a dynamic field, and staying adaptable and responsible by changing circumstances is essential for long-term success in the industry. My name is Yau, and I will be talking to you soon.